I don't know orang ngerti.
No? What is that?
I don't know.
Orang ngerti.
Yeah.
Let me try again.
What is in Dutch?
Ik weet het niet.
Ik weet het niet. I'm waiting for you.
Oh, just told me so, then I would cut it off sooner.
No.
If you told me, then I would say, hey, listen.
I listen, and then you continue again later. No. You know, I'm waiting. I'm hungry.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love it. Oh,
Yeah, really?
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. So, halo pemirsa, assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamuallaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamuallaikum.
Ya, assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Is there something easier?
Yeah, for greeting.
Okay.
Greeting.
Assalamualaikum.
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 Yeah, it's better.
Yeah.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pemirsa, balik lagi di sini sama aku Jel Putri, dan kita mau makan apa, Pipi? Lumpia.
Lekker. Enak.
Oh, I think this one is chicken, right? Yeah, I know. Maybe you need sauce.
Little bit?
Yeah. I give you sauce. I want spicy sauce. Yeah. Ooh. You want this one, right?
Yeah.
Kurwa. So, yesterday you have tried it?
I cook for my own, yeah.
Oh, nice.
And it was good.
Yeah.
I do what you do, in the pan with oil.
Yeah.
Waiting for it to be crunchy.
I think this one is
Beef?
beef.
Okay, try that one.
I think not beef. Like the smell like lamb. Enak. Chicken.
No, no beef.
Ayam. I will try this one. Aku ngeliatnya aku. This one beef?
No.
Enggak.
You have the beef? Good.
Aku gawe iki pinggir. Tak dalan di freezer karena si Denny suka lumpia. You like lumpia, right?
You know, my sister asked me
Yeah.
if I wanted at home if I wanted the bread with shawarma. I said no, because I knew we were gonna eat lumpia, so I didn't want to get full.
And then?
Are you sure? Because normally I always eat. I said no, I'll go home.
Yeah? Oh, nice. Aku mau kayak.
This is beef.
You like beef or chicken? Aku pakainya yang beef pemirsa.
I like both.
Yeah?
I like what you did with the inside.
No. Which is better?
I don't know. I have to try one more time.
Yeah, you can try. Orang ngerti. I don't know orang ngerti.
No? What is that?
I don't know.
Orang ngerti.
Yeah.
Let me try
Orang
again.
ngerti. What is in Dutch?
Ik weet het niet.
Ik weet het niet. Yeah? Ik weet het niet.
Ik weet het niet.
Ik weg.
Ik
Ik
weet het niet.
weet het niet.
Hmm.
Ik weet het niet. Orang ngerti. I don't know.
I think I like chicken more.
Yeah, because maybe the meat like softly.
Yeah, maybe the meat is like strong,
Enggak
strong taste.
No, isang. Nah, kurang ngerti bahasa
It's still good, but I think chicken is better.
Kasih ini tuh. Aku masak apa namanya?
Beef?
Ya sapi, wortel, loba, beef, carrot, and then spitskool.
Spitskool.
Yeah. No. Tuan mau pipi? You know I'm hungry.
Yeah, if you told me again, then I would have come.
No, because you said
Talk serious, huh?
Iya. Kayak telepon jadi aku gak pengen ganggu.
We have to talk.
Lagi besok tuh aku disuruh datang ke rumahnya orang tuanya si Denny. No, something with the
Many beef.
yeah, but I think the beef is not smooth, not apa jenenge, not lembut, not smoothie.
When you eat the chicken, it's all fits better with the
Yeah.
other things. And when you have it with beef, then you only taste beef.
Jejelis. Yeah. Better beef. Better chicken.
Yeah. We can take some lumpia's tomorrow to my family.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Let them
Really? Have the ghost there?
I think so, yeah.
Right. So, what I need to bring
Nothing.
in your family, Pepe?
Nothing.
No.
Just maybe some lumpia's.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not? For the food, for the barbecue.
Yeah?
Why not?
It's okay?
Yeah, why not?
Pepe?
Or they can eat it another time.
No. Actually, I'm thinking about her family. Maybe I can make lumpia and then you bring there. Actually,
Me, only me.
nay, I mean, I want make lumpia, but maybe you will get there for the. I don't know if you ngomong now.
It's okay.
No, I mean, like yesterday I make lumpia. I want to make.
You're already thinking
more.
about it.
Yeah, and then give your family also.
Okay.
But if your family like it,
My mom will.
huh?
My mom will really like lumpia.
What?
Then I think she will like this. Because this is really good.
Weet je het?
And
Lekker.
so, what do you think of my sister?
It's nice.
Yeah? You like her?
Yeah. Yeah.
She liked you too?
Yeah?
Good.
She said that? What she said? You know, if your sister talking with me, I looking her eyes
Yeah.
because the same to you.
Yeah.
But she nice, baby. I like it.
Well, she said the same.
What is that?
The same about that you're nice, that you're a kind woman.
Huh? Whoa!
Because you know, it was first time, huh? So it was a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. You know? I want talking, but I don't know.
What about?
Huh? No.
It was good.
But she trying to
Talk to you.
talk to me first. Yeah.
She was interested in you.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you can talk more. No?
No, I don't know. I don't want to talking, baby. How about? What? Ngeluh ako bingung.
Just talk.
Nak kon ngomong.
Make fun of me because she likes to do it and you like to do it too.
Yeah?
So you can make fun of me both. Yeah?
Really?
Yeah.
So I have friends.
Yeah. You like to talk about the same thing. Make fun of me.
Yeah.
You two already did a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the car you already did a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Jadi besok tuh ke rumahnya dia, pemirsa. Kumurwa. Dikenalin sama emaknya. Ya. Pipi.
What?
Tomorrow go in your parent house.
It will be nice weather, so we can sit outside.
No.
And then you will see my whole family, yeah.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
You know, like today, before I go out and then say hello to you, I just I want to talk in. Say hello first or what?
When you come outside?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Jadi tadi tuh aku
To my sister, you mean?
bingung mau ngomong sama apa, mau ngomong apa sama adiknya dia.
You know what I said to her?
What?
That she had to go outside of the car and greet you properly.
Yeah?
Hmm.
What you say?
I said that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, go out of the car to greet her properly. Okay.
Yeah?
Hey, she listens to me. She make fun of me, but she listens.
Oh, good baby.
She make fun of the big larva, but she listens to the big larva too.
Oh my God.
What?
Nothing.
You have something here.
Is
There.
Yeah?
Yeah? You got it.
Selilitan. You know, selilitan.
What's that?
Have inside this. But in Holland.
Yeah, that's a long sentence. I think you cannot.
Yeah. I'm full, baby. Work.
Oh. Oops.
Oh, baby.
Sorry, cannot do that.
Oke, pemirsa, udah selesai makannya dan what do
Okay.
you think? Lumpia is good or not?
Yes. Enak.
Enak? Kasih.
Enak.
Enak banget.
Enak banget. Banget.
Hey, laker.
Banget.
Banget.
Banget. Enak banget.
Hey lekker. Heet lekker or hey lekker?
Heel.
Hey.
Oh.
Ah. Hey lekker.
Oh.
Okay.
Heel lekker.
Hey lekker. Give me for 1 until 10 for the lumpia.
Lumpia. I will give it 8.5.
8.5. Oh.
The chicken a 9 and the beef a 7.
Beef 7.
Yeah, and
What-
chicken
what-
9.
Why do you think beef 7?
Because I taste too much beef when I eat lumpia.
Yeah.
And when I eat chicken, it's all you taste vegetable,
Yeah.
you taste chicken, but when you eat with the beef, you taste too much beef.
Yeah. I think so. Me too.
Hmm?
Yeah, because the smell of beef is
Strong.
strong. Oke pemirsa, are you full?
Yeah.
Warak.
Barak,
Yeah.
ena barak.
Maybe warak is full. Kenyang.
Barak banggat.
Enak banget.
Barak banggat.
Warak banget. Oh, you know.
Barak banggat.
Iya, warak banget.
Pacar.
Wis pacar?
You pacar?
Pacarnya siapa? Who is pacar?
You?
Me?
Who am I?
Oh. Pacarmu?
Larva.
Oke guys, cukup sekian dulu video kali ini. Say bye-bye Pipi.
Bye.
Sampai jumpa di video aku selanjutnya. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you kiss me Pipi?
Yeah,
Thank
real
you.
kiss.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you.
Mm.
Oh, thank you.
Mm.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay.
The video over now. You start.